Hey guys, Todd here again with twHomeShow. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got another special little video here of a project going on at my house, the twHomeShow compound, and woke up today and there's a lot of racket going on. They are getting busy up there doing our roofing project, installing new shingles, and today I'm going to take out the DJI Mavic Pro and we're going to take a little flight around the lake here just to see a little bit of the neighborhood, and then we're going to come zoom around the house and see what kind of progress has been made so far this morning. Stay tuned. All right guys, let's take her up.
Recording started.
So let's just take a little quick spin around the lake in our neighborhood here, which is right out back. There's the main entrance to the neighborhood, right up over here. See if we can angle down on the gate command center there, where the gate guards are. Not too much traffic out today. Today is what, I don't even know. I'm retired. It's like Tuesday or Wednesday. A couple days after Christmas. And the neighborhood goes way back in there. We'll follow that little van back there a little ways. And if you make a right turn right there, that's the neighborhood park over there. And yeah, right up over there. And we used to own a house right up on this street years ago before we purchased this new one here. I say new, it was built in 2007, and that's why we're in need of a roof currently. I wanted to go check out this new house built right over here too. That house is just being built right on the lake. Can't believe how long that property was vacant. But finally someone's building on there. And that's a nice little cul-de-sac, part of the neighborhood here as well. And if I pan around here, we're across the lake past that fountain. Our house is right over there. So we'll kind of head back over that way. See some of the other houses over here. And we should be coming up to it soon here. There's all the worker bees. They're out there in force today as well. They are going at it. They got the shingles in this morning, delivered. And we went with the Timberline, GAF Timberline shingles. And the color is Cedar Falls. I don't know if they've got enough up there yet for us to really get a feel for the color yet. But they are hard at work. And this is a project that I just couldn't handle. You know me, you guys always tune in to see some of the projects I'm into. Well, this is something a little bit different. And this is a major purchase for a lot of people. We're at about 200 feet right now. Let me see if I can get down a little bit more. We'll come back out here a little bit later on today as well. just to see the progress. Looks like they got a lot up so far. It's only about 10:30 a.m. A whole lot up. Jeez. I guess that's the benefit of having 8 to 10 people here. That's a large work crew. Alright guys, we're back later on today. Still day 2 of the roofing project, and it's about 4:15. So I left you off out here. I think it was about 10:30 this morning when we last went up with the drone and did our inspection to see how it was coming along. And they did a lot within just a couple hours this morning. By the time I got out here with the drone, I was so surprised to see how much they had done. So I'm just going to do a walk around here first just to see if we can see any differences from ground level. But you know me, I'm always looking for an excuse to use a drone. So these past few days has been great for me. Finally get to make another drone video for you guys. But anyway, let's see. I can see they're already done with this backside, which we saw in our drone footage. But up there at the corners there, we got new flashing on the front panels. The gutter's already back up there. I don't know if they had to remove that or if they were able to work around it. But they told me during the estimation process that if they had to remove any gutters, they would put them back up. And they also told me the day they started yesterday, they said if we damage, because we have a lot of screens here, they said if we damage any of your screens, don't freak out, don't worry about it. They're going to take care of all that if something were to happen with a screen busted out or something. So I feel real confident in this company. Let's go take a look around the side. All right, if you look up there, it looks like they're buttoning up the peaks and the upper angles of the roof. I'm gonna see if I can sneak through here. They got all kinds of equipment out and lots of workers like you've seen. Up there I see all new fascia. All new fascia, the white fascia up there. The gutters are still up. So yeah, they're getting about done here now. You see, they only got a few packages of shingles left to work with. And we don't have much of a parking area here for the workers. Actually, our couple cars are out here on the side in case we had to go out today. So we put our cars out here. And you can't get in, there's a lot of sun here, so I'm gonna get over here. But yeah, almost done. And I think we're gonna have to go up there one more time with the drone. Get a view out here from the front. That sun is killer right now. Yeah, can't really see anything from the sun. So we'll take the drone up.